Very good afternoon, children. Now we are going to know about these coastal plains and islands. Yesterday already we started this lesson. Our fifth lesson, the coastal plains and islands. What are coastal plains? What is a coast? Where the land and sea meets is a coast. Where the land and sea meets is a coast. In our India, the coastal plains has been located on the southern part of our India and bounded by the southern plateau of south part of southern plateau. Okay children, these coastal plains has stretched in our India, the southern part of our India. Here it is. Here it is. Here, from here to it is a southern plateaus. These are the southern plateau. Most of our India has been covered with the southern plateaus. It has on the south part of our India. The south part of our India. The south part of our India, on the southern part of southern plateau, these coastal plains has been situated. It is one of the physical feature of our India. It is one of the physical feature of our India. What are the physical features of India? Already we learned about the physical features of India. Physical features, first one is the northern mountains. Second one, the northern plains. Third one, the great Indian desert. The fourth one, the southern plateaus. And last one is the coastal plains and islands. What is a coast? Where the land, here it is the land, India border. India's border. And what is where the land and sea meet? Here it is Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. And here it is Bay of Bengal. And here it is Indian Ocean. This is a coast. Here it is land. Here it is this side. Outside of this India has a water body. This is a coast. This is a coast. It is a coast. Coast. This is the land. This side is land. This side is water. In the middle of this water and land, the border is a coast. It is. These are the coastal plains and islands. Coastal plains. This coast. This area became as a plain because of plenty of water. These are the coastal plains of India. Eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. East side of India, eastern coastal plains. West side of India, western coastal plains has been situated on the south part of our India. West side, Arabian Sea. East side, Bay of Bengal. And south side, and Indian Ocean. The south part of India has been covered with three sides of water is called a peninsula. And in this western coastal plains, let us know western coastal plains has been divided into three parts. One is the Gujarat coast. The western coastal plains have started from Gujarat. Gujarat coastline, run of Kutch to run of Cambad. The Gujarat coastline. In the Gujarat coast is very famous for Gir National Park, which is home for lions. And next one is the south of Gujarat coast, Konkan coast. Konkan coast from Gujarat to Mumbai. Gujarat to Mumbai. This Konkan coast is very famous for lighthouses. And as well, lighthouse. What is lighthouse? The lighthouses has been built on the big rocks where under the water. Why? Because it is giving warning to ships not to come near to these rocks. it is very dangerous. Then, but to seek the rocks, to indicate the rocks, on the rocks the large lighthouses has been constructed on the water. Okay, and it is this Konkan coast is very famous for commercial. Commercial means business. Why? Because it has in the Mumbai commercial port is there. Commercial ports and exporting and importing for a good port is there in Mumbai, and it is very rich in oil deposit. Very rich in oil deposits, oil wells. So many oil wells found in these places in the Konkan coast. And one more is Malabar coast. Malabar coast from Goa to Kanyakumari, the last ending point of India, Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari, from Goa to Kanyakumari, the Malabar coast lies. The Malabar coast stretches from Goa to Kanyakumari. In this Malabar coast, very beautiful lagoons are very famous. What is a lagoon? A small shallow salt water lakes which cut themselves from a sea. They are separated themselves by a sea. A small shallow salt water lake cut by themselves only, cut by from a sea. Those are very famous in this Malabar coast. In the Kerala also in this Malabar coast. Kerala is a very beautiful state. It is a small and beautiful. It is very famous for coconut rice, cashew nut, pepper, cloud. These we can get. Coconut is very famous. Banana chips is very famous. They can prepare all the delicious food with the coconut oil. Coconut oil they use for cooking only coconut oil. They can grow very well in the high level coconut trees, banana trees, cashew nuts, and cloud and pepper. Okay, and it will end in the Kanyakumari, the southernmost tip of India, and it goes to eastern coastal plain. This eastern coastal plains lies to the east of the India. Eastern coastal plains has been divided into two parts. One is northern circus. The top, it has started from West Bengal to and Kanyakumari. It has the half part of these eastern coastal plains has been divided. The north part of eastern coastal plain, northern circus, and the southern part of these eastern coastal plains is a Coromandel coast. Okay, children. Now let us know about these islands. What is an island? What is an island? What is an island? A piece of land. Now only we learn about this India, the south part of India. The south part, half part, paina bhagam kaakunda Madhya Pradesh nundi kinda bhagam mottamu, the south part of India has been covered with Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and India. Three sides of water is called a peninsula. Peninsula. A piece of land surrounded by three sides of water is called a peninsula. Then what is an island? What is an island? A piece of land. This is three sides water. Island means a piece of land. A piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. On all sides is called an island. Okay, a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides is called an island. Where is an island? Here in the Arabian Sea. There are number of islands, and in the Bay of Bengal also there are number of islands. In the Arabian Sea there are 36 small islands. Small islands. What is an island? A piece of land surrounded by water and all sides of water. Okay. In this Arabian Sea there are small 36 small islands are there. For this, one is the capital. One is the capital. It is a Kavaratti. Kavaratti is the capital island of this 36 island. In this 36, only 11 are inhabited, and remaining only it is there. It is this Lakshadweep is a union territory, a small union territory. What is union territory? A place which is not having any own government is called a union territory. A place which is having its own government, it means CM or PM or governor or president, number of ministers, MLAs, MPs. It is a government. The place which is not having any own government is called an union territory. The Lakshadweep also one of the union territory. Its capital is Kavaratti. There are 36 islands are there in the Arabian Sea. For example, a piece of land surrounded by all sides of water. For example, in Hyderabad city in Hussain Sagar Lake. Example only, it is not a island. It is example. The statue of Buddha. The statue of Buddha statue. అది ఎలా ఉంది చుట్టూతా వాటర్ మధ్యలో ఒక కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ చేసి దానిపైన బుద్ధ స్టాచ్యూ పెట్టారు. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ ఐలాండ్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ద బుద్ధ స్టాచ్యూ, ద ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ ద బుద్ధ స్టాచ్యూ, ద కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఆఫ్ బుద్ధ స్టాచ్యూ ఇన్ ద మిడిల్ ఆఫ్ ద వాటర్. It is looks like an island. Islands also just like that only. There are in the Arabian Sea on the west side of India. There are 36 small islands are there. Its capital city is Kavaratti. Its capital is Kavaratti. It is an union territory. What is union territory? A place which is not having any own government is called an union territory. Then who will look after themselves? It will be look after the welfare of the places will be union government. It is central government, national level, national government called and union government called, and it is central government. It will be look after by the central government or union government. ఓకేనా? వీళ్ళకి ఓన్ గవర్నమెంట్ లేనంత మాత్రాన దీన్ని మొత్తము దేశానికి సంబంధించిన ఏదైతే సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఉంటుందో ద వెల్ఫేర్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ యూనియన్ టెరిటరీస్ will be look after by the central government. And one more is the Bay of Bengal. In this Bay of Bengal, nearly 300 small and big islands are there. In nearly 300 small and big union territories are there. Small and big union territories are there. Its capital is Kavaratti. Its capital is Port Blair. Sorry. Lakshadweep Islands capital is Kavaratti, and Bay of Bengal capital is Port Blair. Port Blair. It is also one of the island among these 300 islands. Port Blair is the capital city of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. In the Bay of Bengal, there are Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They consist of 300 group of islands are there in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Its capital is Port Blair. Its capital is Port Blair. Okay children, its capital is Port Blair. Its capital is Port Blair. Okay children, an island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. India has a large number of islands. The two main groups of islands, one is the Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands. And in the Bay of Bengal, there is a Andaman and Nicobar Island. These are the two groups of islands located in the in our India. It is our India's islands. Okay, in these India has surrounded by three sets of water: Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, and Bay of Bengal. In this Bay of Bengal, the monsoon will be bring us to Bay of Bengal only, and sometimes Arabian Sea also. In this Bay of Bengal, there are 300 small and big group of islands are there. In this Lakshadweep island, there are a 36 small group of islands are there. This Lakshadweep capital is Kavaratti, and this Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar capital city is Port Blair. It is a Lakshadweep is an union territory. What is union territory? The place which is not having any government. It will be looked after by the central government is called a union territory. Okay children, what is an island? A piece of land surrounded by water on all sides is called an island. And the southern part of India surrounded by three sides of water is a peninsula. Is it clear, ma? I think you are able to understand. And these okay children, and Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory of India. It consists of 36 small islands in the Arabian Sea, out of which only 11 are inhabited. These islands are coral origin. They were formed by the deposition of dead bodies of corals over a long period. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep. And let us revise. The coastal plains are divided into the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. The western coastal plains is divided into three parts: the Gujarat coast, the Konkan coast, the Malabar coast. The eastern coastal plains are divided into the northern Sarkas and the Coromandel coast. The two main group of islands of our country are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. Okay, here it is. Activity 4. You have read many words in the lesson. Here are few description. Find the word and fill the crossword. Here it is one of the puzzle they are given to us. Here it is. Page number 32. Page number 32. What is this? Down. Down అంటే మనకు నంబర్ ఇక్కడ చూసుకొని డౌన్ అంటే కింద వరకు రాయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ నంబర్ డౌన్ లో ఏమి ఇచ్చారు? ఏ పీస్ ఆఫ్ ల్యాండ్ సరౌండెడ్ బై వాటర్. పీస్ ఆఫ్ ల్యాండ్ సరౌండెడ్ బై వాటర్. ఏ నంబర్ ఇచ్చారు మనకి? 1 నంబర్. డౌనా అక్రాస్ డౌన్ అంటే ఎక్కడ ఉంది? అది ఇక్కడ ఉంది. మనం ఏం రాయాలి? ఒక్కొక్క బాక్స్ లో ఒక్కో లెటర్ రాయాలి. సమ్ లెటర్స్ దే ఆర్ గివెన్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ డౌన్ లో డౌన్ island. Island. First one is the island. Here a piece of land surrounded by water is an island. Island. A piece of land surrounded by water on all sides is a island. And sea animals. What is sea animals? Second one down. Second one down. A sea animals. What is the number? Here it is. They are given the number second. C dash R dash dash S. Second one. Which animals? Second one. Corals. Coral animals. Coral animals. Okay na? And one more is backwaters. Backwaters name antaru? Backwaters. Here down they are given. Down. Here lagoon. First letter started with L. Backwaters they call Lagoon. 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 Okay? Lagoon. And now let us go through the across puzzle. Across boards. A land near the sea. A land near the sea emantarama? Coast. Okay? Which number they are given? Number 4. Number 4. Number 4, across coast. Where the land and sea meets is a coast. Okay? C-O-A-S-T, coast. And a city near the coast where ship loaded, unloaded goods. ఏమంటారు దాన్ని? ఓకే, పోర్ట్. A place where the ships are loaded and unloaded is called a port. What is that? Port. Fifth one, across, P-O-R-T, port. All letters must be capital. You should write. And a tower of light to guide the ships. ఏమంటారు వాటిని? Light houses. Lighthouse. Seventh one, a narrow inlet of the sea surrounded by land on 3 sides. 3 sides of water. ఏమంటారు దాన్ని? Peninsula. A land surrounded by 3 sides of water is called a peninsula. And a land surrounded by 4 sides of water is called an island. And here they are given page number 33. Here they are given, tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. Summative and formative assessment. Find the correct option. The length of the coastal plains is about 5,000 km, 6,000 km, 7,000 km. None of this. B is the answer. 6,100 km. And which is the smallest union territory of India? Port Blair, Andaman Islands, Lakshadweep. None of this. C is the answer. Lakshadweep is the answer. Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory of India. Okay? And second bit, B bit. Answer the following questions. Write a short note on the western coastal plains. I think what I am explaining you are able to understand. You can write what you can understand with my explaining. You can write at least 2 or 3 sentences. Okay, children? Okay. What is an island? Island, a piece of land surrounded by all sides of water is called an island. What is a lagoon? Lagoon is a small shallow salt water lake which cut themselves by a sea. And match the following. Here they are given, match the following. Gujarat coast. Where is Gujarat coast? Is very famous for Gir forest. B is the answer for first. Gujarat coast. B. ఏముంది అక్కడ? కొచ్చియా, గిర్ ఫారెస్ట్, ముంబైయా? Gujarat coast is famous for Gir forest which can be home for lion. And Malabar coast. Malabar coast లో ఏంటి ఫేమస్? కొచ్చియా, గిర్ ఫారెస్ట్, ముంబైయా? Mumbai. Okay. And third one, Konkan coast. Konkan coast is famous for port. It is in the Kochi. Okay, children. And here let us do on this map India mark the Malabar coast. Where is the Malabar coast? And the Coromandel coast, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Cayman. It is homework for you. It is homework. Okay, children. Here it is the map is they are given and we can find. In India, I can give you homework. Page number 33. Otherwise, find out the places in India map. What is that? First one, Malabar coast. Coromandel coast. Andaman and Nicobar. Islands. And fourth one, Gulf of Kutch. Gulf of Cayman. Okay, these are you can find in the Indian map. You can draw and find this one. It is in the page number 33. It is better for you. Okay, thank you everyone. to listening my class. Thank you children.